Have you ever wondered how an MRI machine can create such detailed images of the inside of your body? Let's explore the science behind this amazing technology. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, is a non-invasive medical imaging technique that provides incredible detail, especially of soft tissues. The name itself tells us the core principles. It uses a magnetic field and radio waves to generate images. Doctors rely on MRI for its ability to produce high-resolution images of organs, soft tissues, bone, and virtually all internal body structures, which is crucial for diagnosis. So what are the key pieces of equipment that make an MRI scan possible? It starts with the machine itself. The MRI machine houses a powerful, very strong magnet and radio antennae that are essential for the imaging process. The patient lies on a motorized table that slides into the center of the powerful magnet, the core of the machine. Now, let's look at the fascinating physics that occur once the patient is positioned inside the MRI scanner. The human body is mostly water, and the hydrogen atoms in water have a single proton that acts like a tiny magnet. When the patient is placed in the MRI's powerful magnetic field, these millions of tiny hydrogen magnets align in the direction of the main field. The alignment of these atoms is the first step. The next is to use that alignment to capture data. Next, the MRI machine sends a brief pulse of radio waves into the body. This radio frequency briefly knocks the aligned hydrogen atoms out of position. When the radio pulse is turned off, the hydrogen atoms quickly relax and snap back into alignment with the main magnetic field. As they relax, they emit a signal. The MRI machine's antennae detect these emitted signals, and a powerful computer processes the data into detailed cross-sectional 3D images. In summary, the MRI process is a brilliant application of physics to medicine. It relies on the large magnetic field, the radio waves to momentarily knock atoms out of sync, and the computer to read the resulting signals. This technology is a vital tool in modern healthcare, providing doctors with essential insights to diagnose and treat a wide range of conditions.